Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use spelling and grammar check in MS Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to correct mistakes quickly and make your documents error-free. So, let's get started. First, open MS Word on your computer. Now, as you can see, some words in the document have incorrect spelling. If you want to correct a single word, simply right-click on the word. You will see spelling suggestions. Click on the correct one, and it will be fixed instantly. But if you have many mistakes in your document, go to the Review tab at the top. Now click on Spelling and Grammar. A panel will open where you can see sentence-by-sentence suggestions. Here, you can ignore the suggestion, or click on the correct word to fix the spelling. You can also review grammar suggestions the same way. Once everything is checked, you will see a message saying, Spelling and Grammar. Check is complete. And that's it. You've learned how to use spelling and grammar check in MS Word. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MS Word tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.